1 jam dan 30 menit. Kami ingatkan dalam penerbangan ini tidak diperkenankan untuk merokok, termasuk rokok elektrik, dan sesuai dengan peraturan keselamatan penerbangan sipil, dilarang merusak, menonaktifkan, mengganggu sistem kerja alat pendeteksi asap di kamar kecil. Untuk alasan keselamatan penerbangan, dilarang untuk menyalakan dan mengisi daya peralatan elektronik yang menggunakan baterai lithium dengan power bank selama penerbangan. Terima kasih atas kerjasama Anda. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to apologize for this departure delay due to operational reason. On behalf of liner, Captain Purnama Singgi and the entire crew members would like to welcome aboard JT 354 to Padang. The flight time to Padang will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. We would like to remind you this is a no-smoking flight, including electric cigarettes are prohibited, and battery is removed according to the civil aviation and safety regulation. Tampering with resembling or destroying any smoke detector laboratory is strictly prohibited. For safety reason, it's prohibited to turn on and charge electronic device with lithium battery during and using power bank during flight. Thank you for your correct action. Cabin crew number 471, thank you.
Kami mohon perhatian Anda saat awak kabin baru menolong anaknya. In case of loss of pressurization, oxygen mask will drop automatically from the panel above you. Pull the mask toward you and place it over the nose and mouth. Place the elastic strap over your head and tighten it by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. The oxygen bag may not fully inflate. That is normal. If you are traveling with children, put your oxygen mask first, then help the children. Pesawat Boeing 737-900ER dilengkapi dengan 10 pintu dan jendela darurat. 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian depan, 4 jendela darurat di kabin bagian tengah, 4 pintu darurat di kabin bagian belakang. Boeing 737-900ER is equipped with 10 emergency exits, 2 doors in front cabin, 4 windows in middle cabin, 4 doors in aft cabin. Dalam keadaan darurat, lampu petunjuk jalan keluar akan menyala untuk menunjukkan jalan keluar terdekat. The emergency exit lights will illuminate during emergency situation and will guide you towards the exit nearest to you. Baju pelampung Anda terdapat di bawah kursi dan hanya dipakai pada saat keadaan darurat di air. Your life jacket is available under your seat and it is to be used for emergency water landing only. Cara menggunakannya: kalungkan baju pelampung melalui kepala, kancingkan, dan eratkan melingkari pinggang Anda. Place the life jacket over your head and secure the strap firmly around your waist. Baju pelampung dikembangkan sesaat sebelum Anda keluar melalui pintu darurat. Bagi penumpang yang keluar melalui jendela darurat dekat sayap, pelampung agar dikembangkan setelah Anda berada di atas sayap. Untuk mengembangkan baju pelampung, tarik sekerasnya ujung merah. Jika baju pelampung tidak dapat mengembang dengan sempurna, tiup pipa karet. Lampu akan menyala jika baterai terendam air. The life jacket should only be inflated at the emergency exit doors. For those passengers evacuating through the emergency windows, life jacket is to be inflated once you are over the wing. To inflate your life jacket, pull down sharply on the right toggle. Should the life jacket fail to inflate, blow into the red tubes. The light will turn on if the battery plugs in water. Kartu petunjuk informasi keselamatan terdapat di dalam kantung kursi di depan Anda. Kami mohon Anda membacanya dengan seksama sebelum pesawat tinggal landas. Bila Anda membutuhkan bantuan, silakan menghubungi salah satu awak kabin. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini. The safety information card of this aircraft is available in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully before takeoff. If there's anything that we can do to make this flight more enjoyable to you, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you for your kind.
My identical station.
Penumpang yang terhormat, lampu tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman telah dipadamkan. Kami ingatkan untuk tetap mengenakan sabuk pengaman. Penumpang yang terhormat, lampu tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman telah menyala. Kami mohon Anda untuk kembali ke tempat duduk dan mengenakan sabuk pengaman. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched on. Please return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. The aircraft has come to a complete stop, and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Your mobile phone may be used after reaching the terminal building. Thank you.
Para tamu yang terhormat, selamat datang di Padang. Silakan tetap duduk dan tetap mengenakan sabuk pengaman Anda. Sampai saat ini telah berhenti dengan sempurna dalam tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman telah dipadamkan. Mohon untuk berhati-hati saat membuka tempat bagasi di atas agar tidak ada sesuatu pun yang terjatuh. Sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, periksalah kembali seluruh barang-barang bawaan Anda. Kami ucapkan selamat berpisah dan terima kasih atas penerbangan Anda bersama Lion Air. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Padang. Please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt until the grab has the complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please pay special attention when opening the luggage bin and some items may fall out. Before disembarking, please check your personal belongings so that nothing is left behind. We'd like to say goodbye to all passengers and thank you for flying with Lion Air.